Hi everyone, Chris Figures here. This video is for family members. This is a quick guide to show you how to create your user profile on the Genie platform and how to download the Ambient Connect mobile app to your smartphone. You will need an email address and a smartphone. Step 1. Register your profile. Provide your Genie kiosk manager with your email address. This email address will be used to identify you on the Genie platform. The kiosk manager will create your user profile on the Genie platform, then send to you an email for you to complete the registration process. This email comes from register@aatgenie.com. It is necessary for you to respond to this email with a password you create and keep secure. This combination of your email and your password are the credentials you will need to sign on to the Ambient Connect mobile app once you've downloaded the app to your smartphone. Step 2. Download the Ambient Connect mobile app. Once your profile has been registered, you can download Ambient Connect to your iOS or Android smart device. Ambient Connect is free to download and use. Once your app is downloaded, voila! You are now what we call a virtual visitor, able to sign in with your email password credentials to begin sending messages to your resident. How to download Ambient Connect mobile app. Android users. To install the app to your Android device, go to the Google Play Store. Search for Ambient Connect. The app icon looks like this. And download. iOS users. To install the app to your iOS device, go to the Apple App Store. Search for Ambient Connect. The app icon looks like this. And download. And press Get. Once Ambient Connect has been downloaded to your smart device, open and sign in with your email and the password you created in your email registration. For instructions on how to use Ambient Connect mobile app, visit www.ambientactivity.com. In the menu bar, click on Products, select Genie, then scroll down to Genie for Family Members Video 1. If you're unable to download the app to your mobile device, please contact your kiosk manager for further support.